Welcome to my channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Oh, so today I'm going to show you something that I normally, this unit I've never tried on before. I never would have thought that I'll be trying something like this on, but I'm going to see what this is all about. So this unit I'm going to show you right now. So this is her. She's curly. She's in color 1B and she's a 6-inch full wig. Oh my God, yes, I'm gonna try her on and I want you guys to let me know what y'all think. So make sure y'all sit back and hit the subscribe button so that way you can get more great videos, and then we gonna go from there, y'all. Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Let's go. This is a 6-inch short curly wig and it's in color 1B. She has combs in the front of the unit as well as the back. She also has adjustable straps on the side. We're going to use some Eco Gel, an edge brush, and bobby pins. Saturate my hair with water so that way my hair can revert back to its natural state and it will become curly, so that way it can blend in with the wig. I'm going to use Eco Gel to help push my curls right in so that way it can blend with the wig. Just watch and see. I'm just going to take the wig and stick that comb right into that middle braid right there, just like that. And then after I get it on and adjust the straps, then I'm going to use bobby pins to secure the sides. Eco Gel so that way I can start blending and swooping my edges, y'all. Watch me work. just going to bring some hair forward so I can have a little side bangs. Watch me work. Let's add a little flour to the side. I'm just going to add a bobby pin to the front. So I'm just going to gather it all in the front just like that. And I'm just going to stick that bobby pin right there. This hair looks exactly like my own hair. I kid you not. I love it.